Hey, what is up guys? VWSV Nexus here. Today I'm going to show you how you can download music directly from Tidal as FLAC. You get the highest music quality you can. You are required to have a Tidal account to do this though. You cannot do this for free, so this is not piracy. I'm not condoning piracy in any way. The reason you would want to do this is because usually when you download music from Tidal on your PC or your phone or whatever, they encrypt the music, so you can only listen to the music from that device. You can't move the files or anything. But there is a program called tidal-dl-ng. I'll leave the link in the description. They do have different ports of this for Windows, Mac, and Linux, but I'm going to show you how to use it on Windows. You just come to the releases page and click this. Download this zip file and then extract it. You're also going to need FFmpeg. Come down here and download FFmpeg get full. Download that and extract it. And then once you have downloaded and extracted the files, so I have my FFmpeg in my documents. And I have my tidal-downloader-ng also in my documents. You won't have these two files, I just have these as backups so I can show you guys this tutorial. But once you get this loaded, what I'm going to do is delete my stuff real quick. So once you sign in and change all your settings, in your user folder under .config, there's going to be another folder, and this is the token. Is basically once you sign in, this is how it connects to your account, and the settings are the settings you apply in the application after you sign in. I'm going to delete these so I can show you what to do, but I'm just going to run this. It's going to tell me to log in. You click this link, you log in. And then it's going to give you this error. You just want to copy the URL at the top and then paste that in. Okay, you're going to have this error once it loads up. So on the left side, these are all my playlists, all my mixes, and then all my favorited videos, tracks, and artists and stuff. You get a file and preferences to edit your preferences. I would recommend extracting FLAC. I put this on extension ignore. Quality high res losses. I don't really download videos, but I put it on the highest one. Metadata cover dimension, I put this on the highest one so it has the best quality cover art. Select where you want to download your music to. And then you want to select where you extracted the FFmpeg binary. And that's it. And then relaunch the application. It says all set up. So the reason I made backups is because right here where it says format, track, video, album, artist, all this stuff, I've already went through and edited this. But if you look, let's just use an album as an example. If I downloaded an album right now, under eMusic, it would make a new folder in the music folder called albums. And then it would make a new folder and it would title that folder based on the album artist, the album title, and it would tell you whether or not it's explicit. And then it would make another folder with the album track number, the artist name, and the track title. I don't like this. So I'm going to restore what I've already done to mine and show you how I have mine set up. I'm gonna move these back, run it. And if I go to my preferences, I like it like this. So on my track, my album, these are the only ones I download, either albums or tracks. And I have it set to where they're formatted the exact same. So it makes a folder with that album artist, and then a new folder with the album title, and then add new folder, or sorry, it puts the track title at the end. And then same thing with the album. It makes a folder with the album artist, folder with the album title, and it tells you whether it's explicit, and then it puts the name of the song. So the way I have this set up, when I download a track or if I download an album, it's going to format it the same way in my music folder. So all of these, the way I have it set up, it makes a folder with the name of the artist, and then let's do one with multiple albums, Arctic Monkeys. So it makes one for the artist, then it makes a folder for the album, and then it puts the files for that album in that folder. So this is the way that I like to do it. You can edit this however you want. You can literally just delete all this and just have it put all the files in one folder, not organized. You can organize it however you want. But let's give you an example of me downloading some music. So I have music B. This is where I keep track of all of my music. For shits and giggles, I'll just show you what I got. Let's say I don't have any Michael Jackson, do I? No. Okay. So in tidal-dl, I'm gonna go to up here, change it to artist, and then search for Michael. Accent, I misspelled it, but it's okay. And then let's get a relatively this one. Oh. So you highlight the one you want, and you can change the audio quality and everything right here. But it should download FLAC. Michael Jackson, Thriller. After the first song is downloaded, which this is the overall progress, this is the track progress. When this song is downloaded, it should make a Michael Jackson folder with the correct format. Michael Jackson, Thriller 40. So now if I go in Music B, look for Michael Jackson. FLAC 24-bit, 44.1 kilohertz, 1,772 kilobytes. I can't remember exactly, but yeah, this is the highest quality. It's that simple, and it should automatically update so the track is downloaded. Yeah, that's how you do it. If you guys have any questions or concerns, just let me know. I mean, I won't be able to help you out that much if you have like some specific concerns with the actual program, like having bugs or issues, because I did not create this program. But I'm happy to help any way that I can. So just leave a like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.